Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Spiegel Mom Scraps. Today I'm posting on a Friday instead of a Sunday. I had some personal stuff going on and just wasn't able to get this up last Sunday. I'm starting out with this Bella Boulevard Engaged collection, I believe is what it's called, for my background paper, and I'm using this cut file from the cut shop called Hello Let's Chat, and I went ahead and backed it all with some fun foam off screen just because it's a little finicky and it took me some time. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. He's outside and somebody's walking by and he doesn't like it, so he's telling them to get away. He's very good at telling them to get away. So now I'm just going around some of the thinner areas of the fun foam, and I'm using this glue. It's called On Point glue. It is a clear glue by Imagine Crafts, and it has a fine line tip on the bottle. It comes with it on the bottle that way. I got it from my local scrapbooking store, and it is a very good glue. I'm just not 100% sure if I love it yet, just because I am, I guess, a little too heavy-handed with it, and sometimes it squirts out more than I want it to. But now that all the glue is on the back, I am just filling the little pockets in with some Make My Heart Sing sequins. I love this color mix. Who can go wrong with pink and teal and turquoise? Just my favorite. So I use a ton of them in the shaker pockets. And then just backing it with some black cardstock. Now I had to let that dry for a little bit because that On Point glue does take a little bit longer than the Tombow to dry. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit. So I used a couple of cut apart cards from the Simple Stories Crafty Girl collection and put them behind my photo. The photo is of my daughter and one of her friends eating some untoasted s'mores. We went to a movie night that they have locally here. We have a giant hill, and at the bottom of the hill they have a big screen, and so they show movies on this big screen, and then you sit up on the hill, and it's a lot of fun. So we're sitting there, and as a treat I brought s'mores, but obviously we didn't have any way to toast them, so they just ate them the way they were, which made them a lot less messy, and that was nice. So I'm working on my title, and I decided to make it kind of a long title, and it's going to be Good Friends, Movies, S'mores, and Fun. Excuse me. And I just felt like I needed a little bit of extra in those what are they called? Word bubbles, thought bubbles. I'm not going to come up with it now. You're all probably screaming it at me, but I can't think of what it's called right now. And so I decided that it would be a good thing to use these tiny white thickers and kind of fill in some of those spaces. And yeah. That's going to be the title, and then I am going to pull out some other thickers here, and I want to say they're part of the, are they Glitter Girl? They're like a navy glitter thicker, and I am going to throw on a couple of stars. These ones here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're Glitter Girl, right? Anyhow, I'm going to throw some of those around, and then I am going to use a couple of these stickers from the Cute Girl collection that I have been hoarding. I love these stickers so much, and I always find them really difficult to use, but I'm just going to stick them on here and get them used up. I've been really trying to use up some of my older things. So that background paper is actually from 2009, I believe, and then I'm using up these Cute Girl stickers. So yeah. So if you haven't already, you should head on over to Facebook and join the 15 Minutes to Scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps Facebook group. There's a link down below. Also head on over to Instagram and follow them. If you don't already, please subscribe to the channel. you're at the Facebook group and Instagram, you're always going to find out when there's new sequins being released, and what the, if there's sketches or anything like that going on. So you want to definitely join in on that. But I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use my code Daisie10 or Daisie15 for 15% off your next purchase. And I will see you again next time. Bye.